Faster and faster. Yeah. Okay. Let off the gas. Okay. You let off the gas too much. Okay, go ahead.
Welcome everybody. We're another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. Here we're doing autocross. We're actually doing Autocross School today. I've never done any formal driving training, so I figured I'd take this class, see what I get out of it. So we'll see if we can get some videotape. I'm not sure what they allow, but we'll give it a shot. So welcome to another episode, and we'll get some autocross video up and see what I can learn. Have a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna try braking even later.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's right, turn. Yeah, it swerved a little bit with the braking.
One more time and get it to come around and rotate. I don't see anybody really rotating their car, so here we go. So you can see the car, that was actually pretty good. Didn't lock them up, got the rear to rotate, so that was not bad at all actually. I'm getting it. It's just going to take time to learn to trail brake, and yeah, it's a hard thing, as I said, but getting it.
The middle counts.
Start picking up speed.
You into second?
Yep.
Okay, now go ahead. Faster and faster. Yeah. Okay. Let off the gas. Okay. You let off the gas too much. Okay, go ahead and go around. Okay, but yeah. Okay, now you see what happens? That's pretty good. Okay, do the same thing, but little lifts.
So is that throttle up? Did I snap oversteer?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now little lifts. Yeah, little lifts. Yeah, good. Little lifts. Yes, yeah. Okay, go ahead and go off. Okay. Yeah, little lifts. Yeah, good. Little lifts. Yeah.
Off?
Yeah, go ahead. Perfect. What'd you think?
That was much better in the middle of the course. I feel like I had more control.
Yeah, when that's the idea of this, you want to. Started to go right about the second one there, but it didn't. It kind of stuck. Did the car going a couple of 100 miles an hour? All right, here we go. Yeah, good. Try to hug it back if you can. Okay, then left. Okay, good. That was good. Yeah. Good recovery. Good on gas. Good.
A little bit of trail braking there, huh?
But see, that was good. You notice the back end was moving there and stuff, and you had just enough of it. Didn't lift, didn't go nuts, and that was okay. That was good.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the Autocross school. I sure did. I learned a lot. Some of the feedback, just how you can really drive the car. That skid pad was ideal. You really learn how you can drive a car with the throttle, hanging it out. You get more throttle, hang it out. You get off the throttle, it starts hanging out. And you can really kind of get rid of the understeer. The car really didn't have any understeer. It did a little bit when it was cold out. The first couple of things we were messing around with. Once the tires got warm, there's not a whole lot of understeer on this car. And then it's just kind of pure throttle and drive it that way. I still am getting some rear tire rub though. As you could see in the skid pad, there was a couple of big humps there. And when I would come up over those, it would literally unload the suspension, load it back up, and you could hear the tires back there. And I got marks all over that tape. So it's back to the drawing board on that one. I might have to throw some 315s on this thing. I don't want to because those 335s look just badass, but I might have to. But then again, it's not rubbing on the street at all, and it's not doing it during normal autocross, just during when you hit that big whoop. So we'll see. I may throw more tape up and play with it, or maybe even grind a little more of that bar out. But yeah, I learned a ton. Highly recommend anybody that wants to go out and learn to really drive. Got to take an autocross course. The instructor was great. It was with the Golden Gate Lotus Club, and definitely highly recommend. Get out there, go do it, drive the cars. The car's a beast. Everybody loved it. The instructor said it's just so raw, so animalistic. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next Cobra Daytona build. Don't know when, don't know what, but we'll have something else popping on up. Thanks.